Okay, we are walking down to go out into the blizzard. It is honestly a blizzard. I'm vlogging right now. It's honestly a blizzard. It's quite bad. And it's -2-degree wind chills right now. This is it. If you can see that snow, if you can see the inches, yeah, they paved this probably maybe 2.5 hours ago. So we've gotten at least a good 3 inches in the past 2.5 hours, if that.
It's not very windy right now.
It's not very windy. It's very, very windy right now. But you can't tell. And like you can see all the little snow molecules, hopefully. Yeah, you can see all the snow molecules. But yeah, we had class today. We had class today from 8 to 9, and they canceled classes at 10. So I walked to school in this, which is quite horrible when you think about it, which is why I think that Maryland is so great, because they actually know when the hell to cancel classes. Boone, not so much. But yeah. Here.
It could be like a big gust of wind.
Yeah, I know.
I can prove that it's actually a blizzard.
These are our steps. Yes, they're very slick. This right here is our brick, and that's how you can tell how windy it is, because there's snow on the brick. This is all new snow. This is about 5 feet, or 5 inches. 5 feet. That's a little bit exaggerating. 5 inches, most likely. Yeah. Yeah, we've had it so bad, like we've had wind gusts so bad that you actually can't see like that building over there. But it's not that bad right now. The winds have died down a little bit. This snow's super powdery. You can see how powdery it is. It's really powdery, which you would think would be a good thing, but it actually means that it's like really slick. And so it's not fun to walk in, because there's like you can't like step anything. It's just like walking in. It's like walking in stuffing, like you put in fabric. It's like really annoying. Like here, see? Like it's just, yeah. It's not very packable either, so like when you're stepping out, you're often slipping. But Aaron's walking up the hill very bravely. Yeah, I really wouldn't recommend this because it's so freaking powdery. Like it's really slippery. I mean, like there's nothing there. You can actually see. This is ice. This is ice from our last snowstorm, and this is all this stuff on top of it. So that's how many inches we've gotten today. This is ice from the snowstorm and snow on top of it. There's at least 5 feet of snow, or 5 inches of snow on top of it. Again, you can see all the snowflakes. Aaron's having issues. Yeah, because it's that powdery. It's really powdery. And there's ice, and you can't see where the ice is. Are you okay? So yeah, it's so, I mean, like, here's the wind's picking up again, so you can kind of see it. But not really. It's really not as windy as it's been right now. I don't know why. We've had, they're predicting for wind gusts to be up to 70 miles per hour today. The highest I think I felt, if I could estimate it, would probably be about 25 miles per hour, and that was when I was walking back from class. And, yeah, I mean, this is a shit ton of snow. Like, look how much snow that is. That's Shay. She's interrupting stuff. Yeah. Are you okay? Yeah, you can see all the snow. There's all the snow. Like, that's how fast it's falling. I'm not exaggerating here. Again, I'm not lessening you guys' snow issue. I'm just saying that it's nice that they canceled classes for you guys. And Aaron just hit me with the snowball and it was really, really cold. I'm really glad that they canceled classes for you guys so you didn't have to walk in this shit.
I'm not gonna push you.